indirimbo ni Señorita, umuririmbyi ni Do Williams. Nibagiye gukora subscribe.
Back in the innocent days,
Dusubiye inyuma mu minsi ya kera,
there was a young
hari
cowboy
umuhungu w'umwungere w'inka yakunze umukobwa wo muri Mexique.
only she didn't know it.
Gusa uwo mukobwa ntiyigeze abimenya.
And he would watch her as she
Yakunda
walked
kumureba
by,
igihe yamuca iruhande yambaye ikanzu ikoze mu ipampa yagenda itamba mu muyaga.
in her eyes.
Mu maso yiwe yari afise inyenyeri.
Now she was the most
Uyu
beautiful
mwanya rero
thing
niwo
that
mukobwa
cowboy had
mwiza
ever
uwo
seen.
muhungu yari amaze kubona.
Sit down straight,
Yarungitswe ava mu ijuru.
but he was
Ariko
afraid
umuhungu yari afise
he'd
ubwoba
never
ko
learn
atazigera atsindira umutima wiwe,
because of some family
kubera
scars
ko yari
left by
afise
the rain.
inkovu yasigiwe n'ibibazo byabaye mu muryango
But
wiwe.
oh, how
Ati
he
ariko
loved
mbega ukuntu yamukunda. Ati
Señorita,
Señorita,
passing
unciye
by,
iruhande
pardon me
mbabarira
if I
niyo
stop
mpagarara
and ask you
nkakubaza
why.
impamvu.
Señorita, could it
Birashoboka
be someone
ukaba
like you
umuntu
could
nkawe
love
yo
someone
gukunda
like
umuntu
me?
nkanje. Indirimbo ni Señorita, umuririmbyi ni Do Williams, umusifuzi ni Bavari nk'uko bisanzwe. Nibagiye gukora subscribe, like, share and comment.
So he walked up to her,
Umuhungu yaramwegereye akuramo inkofero yari yambaye hanyuma aramwibwira.
and she looked up at him.
Umukobwa
Didn't know what to
yaramurebye
say.
ariko ntiyigeze abona ikintu cyo kuvuga.
So he told her the story of his
Ariko umuhungu
family,
yaramubwiye
trouble that brought
inkuru
the barbed
y'umuryango we
wire,
n'ibibazo baciyemo
and of all the things he
n'ibintu
couldn't
byose
change.
umuhungu atashobora guhindura.
And then he told her that he loved
Hanyuma
her.
aramubwira ko
And he
umuhungu
studied
yakunze
her
umukobwa,
reaction.
hanyuma areba uko abyitwaramo.
By the time the spring rains
Ariko mu
came,
gihe
they
cy'urushana
were married.
barabanye nk'umugabo n'umugore.
Now there's an old song that
Ariko
my
hari
family used
indirimbo
to sing
umuryango wanje wakunda
about a young
kuririmba
cowboy and a
yavuga ku
Mexican girl.
muhungu w'umwungere w'inka
How they
n'umukobwa muri
fell in love.
Mexico n'ukuntu bakundanye. Señorita,
Passing
uciye
by,
iruhande
pardon me
mbabarira
if I stop
bishitse
and
ngahagarara
ask you
hanyuma
why.
nkakubaza impamvu.
Señorita, could it
Birashoboka
be
nkaba ndi umuntu
someone like you could
yoshobora
love
gukundwa
someone like
n'umuntu
me?
nkawe.
Señorita, passing
Unciye
by,
iruhande
pardon me
mbabarira
if I stop
mpagarara
and ask you
nkakubaza
why.
impamvu.
Señorita, could it be someone like you could love someone like you could love someone like me?
Ati Señorita mbwira, birashoboka ko umuntu nkawe yokunda umuntu nkanje. Umuririmbyi ni Do Williams, umusifuzi ni Bavar. Nibagiye gukora subscribe kuri YouTube channel Bavar Translator. Indirimbo ni Señorita, umuririmbyi